Regular cleaning of the filter helps to maintain the suction and pickup performance you expect from the Salter Turbo Stick vacuum. Firstly, ensure that you have unplugged the unit and the unit is switched off. Next, empty the dust container by pressing the release latch. Then, remove the filter cone by rotating it clockwise. The HEPA filter can then be removed from the dust container by rotating clockwise. Gently tap the HEPA filter and filter cone to remove dust and debris that has built up. Rinse the HEPA filter and filter cone under a tap for a couple of minutes and leave until completely dry. Once dry, replace the HEPA filter and filter cone by aligning the indents and then rotating in an anti-clockwise direction to secure before reclosing the dust container. Never use your vacuum cleaner without filters in place. As well as regularly cleaning the filter system, we also advise that you check for blockages in the air inlet and floor brush. Always ensure that your floor brush and brush bar are clean. By following these simple steps every couple of weeks, you will maintain a high level of pickup performance and prolong the life of your vacuum cleaner.